I always hold the position that at this point, Senate cannot be asking or cannot be demanding anything from the House of Representatives with respect to the impeachment case. Kasi nagawa na ng House of Representatives yung role niya.
Dapat maging maingat ang House Prosecution Panel sa magiging hakbang at sagot sa kautusan ng Senate Impeachment Court. Ayon kay Mamamayang Liberal o ML Party List Representative Leila de Lima na inaasahang mauupo bilang House Prosecutor sa nakatakdang paglilitis ni Vice President Sara Duterte, labag sa saligang batas ang impeachment order sa Kamara. Kabilang na ang paglalabas ng resolusyon na magsasaad na ipagpapatuloy ng House members ng 20th Congress ang impeachment case laban sa Vice-Presidente.
So it's not proper for me, and in fact, I consider it violative of the Constitution, the very spirit, and even the language of the Constitution.
Ayon naman kay Akbayan Party List Representative Shell Jokno na magiging House Prosecutor din. Sa kabila ng pagiging questionable, naniniwala pa rin itong dapat sundin ang Senate Impeachment Order. Hindi rin anya mahirap para sa Kamara na sundin ito.
Siyempre, yun ay isang order na dapat sundin ng prosecution panel ng House of Representatives. But in terms of how the House is going to adhere to that order, siyempre, nasa kamay yan ng House of Representatives ng prosecution panel.